Welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today, practice real English conversations at work. Improve your listening, speaking, and everyday vocabulary. Let's start learning English together. Scene 1, arriving at work. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well. Traffic was busy this morning. Really? My drive was pretty easy today. You're lucky. I left home late. That happens sometimes. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I had coffee and toast. What about you? I had eggs and fruit before work. That sounds healthy. I'm trying to eat better lately. Same here. I need more energy at work. Me too. We have a busy day today. Yes, there's a meeting at 10 o'clock. I remember. Are you ready for it? Almost. I still need to finish one report. Do you need help? Maybe later. Thanks for offering. No problem. Scene 2. Startin' work. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today we have several important tasks. What should we work on first? First, I need the sales reports completed. I can finish mine before lunch. Excellent. Thank you. I'll finish mine this morning too. Great. Also, please answer customer emails quickly today. We received many emails yesterday. Yes, customers had lots of questions. Customer service is very important. Of course. Let me know if anyone needs help. Will do. All right, everyone. Let's have a productive day. Scene 3. Talking with a coworker. Hey, can you help me for a minute? Sure. What do you need? I can't find the new customer file. Did you check the shared folder? I looked there already. Maybe it was moved yesterday. Let's ask. Do you know where the customer file is? Which one? The Jackson account. Oh yes, I saved it in the finance folder by mistake. Ah, that explains it. Can you move it back? Sure. Give me 1 second. Thanks. No problem. We all make mistakes sometimes, especially before coffee. That's true. Scene 4. Phone call at work. Hello, Green Tech Company. How can I help you? Hi, I'm calling about my order. Of course. Can I have your order number? Yes, it's 45821. One moment, please. Sure. Thank you for waiting. Your order will arrive tomorrow afternoon. Great. I was worried it was late. I understand. Shipping has been slower this week. Thanks for checking. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with? No, that's all. Thank you for calling. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Scene 5. Coffee break. Conversation. Finally, break time. I really needed this coffee. Same here. It's been a busy morning. What are you doing this weekend? I'm visiting my parents. That sounds nice. What about you? I'm staying home and relaxing. I want to watch movies and sleep all weekend. That sounds perfect, actually. Do either of you watch cooking shows? Sometimes. Why? I tried a new pasta recipe yesterday. Was it good? Yes, surprisingly good. Maybe you should bring some to work. Maybe I will. Free food always makes coworkers happy. Absolutely. Scene 6. Team meeting. Thanks for joining the meeting, everyone. No problem. Let's discuss this month's progress. Sales increased this month. Yes, the numbers look good. Customer satisfaction also improved. Excellent work, team. We answered customer requests faster this month. I noticed that. Keep up the great work. Are we starting any new projects soon? Yes, next month we'll launch a new website. That sounds exciting. Will there be training for the new system? Yes, everyone will receive training next week. Good. I always need extra practice with new software. Me too. Don't worry, we'll learn together. Scene 7. Lunchtime. Where do you want to eat today? I'm thinking about sandwiches. That sounds good to me. There's a new cafe across the street. I heard it's really good. Let's try it. Perfect. I'm hungry. Me too. I skipped my snack this morning. That's dangerous at work, especially on busy days. What are you ordering? Probably chicken salad. I want soup and bread. I'll get a turkey sandwich. Their coffee's supposed to be amazing too. Good. We all need more coffee, definitely. Scene 8. Afternoon work. Did you send the report yet? Almost. I'm checking the numbers again. Good idea. Accuracy is important. I found one mistake earlier. Better now than later. Exactly. The printer isn't working again. Seriously? Yes, it keeps showing an error message. Did you restart it? Twice. I'll call IT support. Thanks. Technology always breaks at the worst time. That's true. Scene 9. End of the day. Great work today, everyone. Thank you. We finished all the important tasks. That feels good. I'm tired, but it was a productive day. Same here. Don't forget tomorrow's morning meeting. I won't forget. What time is it again? 9 o'clock sharp. Got it. See you tomorrow, everyone. Have a good evening. Drive safely. Good night, team. Good night. Great job practicing English conversations at work. Repeat the conversations again to improve your speaking and listening skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English lessons.